Here's a good one for you. How do you turn that dull brass into, ta-da, that shiny brass in 1 minute? I've just done that on a different video, so I'm going to do the back of it for my YouTube. So, what do I use? That Brasso. It's a product that's been around for way longer than I've been alive. My grandma used to use it, my mother used to use it, because it works. And you know, once you get something right, there's no point changing it. So all you do, grab a wad. It's also available as a liquid that you use on cloth, and then you apply. But this is the lazy way of doing it. You just grab a wad of it, finger and thumb, and quite simply rub the brass like it's Aladdin's lamp. And it doesn't seem as though anything's happening to begin with. It takes a while for the Brasso to react with the tarnish, and then once it does, it starts to turn everything black. And it takes a couple of goes, it takes a couple of treatments. So we're going to do it once, give it a good polish, and then do it again and see what the results are like. So that's nice and blackened up. Give that a polish. Already that looks amazing, but we're not done yet. We'll give it one more go. I mean, literally, you could do this, certainly something as tarnished as that, you could do it 3 or 4 times to give it a really high gloss finish. But this is just to show you what can be achieved in literally a couple of minutes. And this, I'd chosen something that obviously hadn't been polished in a long time. And so it makes a really effective demonstration. There you go, look at the tarnish on there. So there we are. Do you know, I'm just going to give that one last go because I know that it can be so much better. That's what I'm talking about. So, and you can see that end is the one that's not been polished. And that end, it looks like a different thing. So there you go. As simple as that. Brasso. As I say, it works. It's a million years old. You'll find it in the supermarket, and it's great. You can also get Silvo and Duraglit. I don't actually know, if I'm honest, I don't actually know what the difference is between Silvo and Brasso. One's obviously for silver and one's for brass. But I have actually used Brasso on silver and Silvo on brass, and they both seem to work equally well. But that is certainly something you want to be keeping under the sink, because when you've got candlesticks, ornaments, a shoehorn, brass buttons, anything, hardware on your luggage, that really is very satisfying when you bring it up to a shine like that. Anyway, If you want to see more of this nonsense, how to clean household objects, follow along for more. You'll see my essential guide for the modern man, and subscribe and tell your friends. I'll see you next time. Take care.